everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to Union Retail bank account online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.unionbankonline.co.in and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official web page of Union Bank. Click on the Retail User Login link on the right hand side, and then in the Internet Banking Login option, go ahead and type in your user ID associated with your online banking account. On the next field, provide your correct password. Under verification, go ahead and type in the answer to the question shown in the display, and you can click on the login button to access your account. If you've forgotten your credentials during login in, you can click on Forgot or Create Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, click on the login button to access your account to Union Bank retail account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.